today. Got the engine pulled out of the Mercedes. Actually, that little connector right there I actually broke, but I think it'll still work. Stretched it, it goes into the, I'm not sure what that is, but it was still attached when we were pulling it out. And then I think we might have stretched this one too. I think that's the water temperature. But got the engine pulled out, and here it is. So if anybody wants a OM 617 950 engine with some bad crank bearings, there you go. And the new engine's right there, ready to go in, and gonna start on that tomorrow.